Hey everybody, it's Coach Hammett coming to you from beautiful Georgetown, Texas here at Benold Middle School. Hoping you're having a great day. Gonna jump right in, try to keep this video kind of short. Today we're eliminating using multiplication. All right, we did it yesterday. We're using addition and subtraction, so now it's multiplication. All right, this is just what we're gonna do: solve real-world problems, solve systems of equations by using elimination. And so we're here. Okay, so when we look at this, we're looking at something, we want to find something that we can multiply the entire line by to get rid of it. And when I look at this, the y and 2y, if I multiplied the top by -2, that would be really easy to get rid of that y value right there. Okay, so I'm going to put it underneath. -2 times 2x would be -4x. -2 times y would be -2y, and that's going to equal -2 times 23, which is -46. All right, so when we do all this, we're going to try to eliminate this 2y. 2y, -2y, that goes away. So now we have 3x minus 4x, which is -x, equals, and then -46 plus 37, looks like it's -9 to me. Okay, divide by -1, divide by -1 to get the x alone and positive. X equals 9. Okay, once we have one variable, we can put it in and we can check it, or we can solve for the other. 2 times 9 plus y equals 23. So 2 times 9 is 18, plus y equals 23. I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides and come up with y equals 5. Now remember, you can go back and check it again. So our solution that we came up with is 9, 5. That should be our solution right there, okay? But what I'm going to do is put it into this formula right here and make sure it works. 3 times 9 plus 2 times 5 equals 37. And yeah, that checks out because it's 27 plus 10, and that does equal 37. Again, you do not have permission to miss a problem because you can go back and put it into the formula and make sure that it works. Okay, so remember, you're looking for something that you can multiply a whole line by to get rid of a variable. All right, so let's look at this one. What would be the easiest thing to multiply the top or the bottom by to get rid of a variable? Well, looking right here, I would say that we could multiply the top by -3. And I'm going to let you work on that. Go ahead and pause it and try to figure out what that line would be. Okay, so if we distribute -3 to everything on that line, okay, we're left with -3x minus 21y minus 36. And we're just going to move this one. It's not going to change. We're just going to put it right here. 3x minus 5y, minus 36 right there, equals 10. All right, so we've got this. The -3x and the 3x cancel out. They're gone. I'm left with -26y equals 26. So -26, y would equal 1. Well, right now I'm going to get rid of C and A right there. I'm left with B and D, and now I'm going to take the 1, put it back into one of the equations and work it out. I'm going to use the first one just because it looks a little bit easier. X plus 7 times 1 equals 12. X plus 7 equals 12. X is 5. And that looks good for answer B right there. Okay, let's keep working. Now, what if you have it to where you can't really multiply one of them by something, but you can multiply both of them by something? I'm going to get rid of the x values in this one right here. And to do that, I'm going to multiply the top by 3 and the bottom by -4. Okay, and if you see, this is why I'm doing this. 3 times 4x would be 12x on the top, and let me go ahead and finish it out, plus 9y equals 24. If I multiply it out on the bottom, negative 4 times 3x would be negative 12x plus 20y equals 4 times 23. 2 carry the 1 would be 92, and it's negative times a negative, so it's a positive, right like that. Okay, so let's see what we've got. All this cancels out. All right, this would be 29y would equal 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 116. Okay, so let's divide this by 29 and divide this by 29. Okay, go into my little calculator here just so I don't mess up real quick. 116 divided by 29 is 4. All right, so I've got y equals 4. And I had to multiply both of those to get rid of that. Now, I can take the y equals 4 and put it into either one. Let's just use the top one. 4x plus 3 times 4 equals 8. 4x plus 12 equals 8. Subtract 12 from both sides. 4x equals negative 4. X equals negative 1. So our formula is negative 1 comma 4. Or I'm sorry, not our formula, but our solution to the system of equations is negative 1, 4. And if we put it back in, it will check out. All right? Okay. Well, that's it. I'm trying to keep this short and sweet for you. We will do some practice on this. It's pretty easy stuff once you understand, like this one, where you may have to multiply both lines by something so that you can eliminate it out. All right, guys. Hope you're having a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow in class. See you then. Bye.